how are you?
Good yourself?
Beautiful.
That's good.
So, good afternoon, Leonard. Thanks for taking your time to attend this meeting.
That's right.
So, this meeting is regarding our current financial state. So, according to recent data, there is a possibility, and I say possibility, that we may be running a negative profit in the 2018 to 2019 financial year. And obviously we don't want that. So this meeting will hopefully identify the areas that require further looking into. So I just got 10 questions to ask. So you happy with that?
Yeah.
Easy. So the first question is just, what starting steps should we take to start building our e-commerce strategy?
So I think that you start by creating a realistic business plan. And that action plan in consultation with experienced e-commerce business advisors. It's important to compile a detailed list of features and requirements before choosing your e-business solution provider. You should choose a robust solution that will leave room for your company to then end up grow, to then achieve more profit and more success in the workplace.
Yeah, right. So next question, what software will be most effective in regards to the setup of the e-business store? So
so I think that you want to choose an e-commerce software that will help you manage inventory, product uploads, images, discounts, promotions, customer relationship management, and all of the online orders. You'll also need a shipping cart program that can handle the tax, shipping, and payment transactions. A number of e-commerce solutions will offer all these components in a bundle package, making management and maintenance turnkey efficient. There are many systems out there to choose from, but you ultimately want the one which is most flexible for you. To some extent future-proof in a way, and has regular maintenance built into the service contract. The system will need to integrate with your existing website, and CRM and ERP. So the CRM is the customer relationship management, and the ERP is enterprise resource planning, and you want both those systems to be incorporated in it as well.
That sounds great. So third question, what software will be most effective in regards to the setup of the e-business store?
So the shopping cart software is an operating system to allow for consumers to purchase goods and services, to track customers and tie together all aspects of the e-commerce into one cohesive whole. The shopping cart needs to be the one that allows the customer to enter the online store, see the product that fulfills their demand, and then they place it in the virtual shopping basket. After they've finished browsing, they should be able to click checkout and complete the transaction by providing the payment information.
Alright, so that was, what's the shopping cart software? So that's, right, so what software will be most effective in regards to the setup of the e-business store? Do you know any information about that?
No, it's not my specific area.
Yeah, right.
But no, I'm not too confident.
Yeah, that's right. So what is our most effective payment method?
So you'll need to choose a payment method such as a credit card or PayPal, that sort of area. You'll also need to choose a payment gateway. This means choosing a provider to process internet payments to your merchant account.
So the payment, so it makes it's just easy for anyone. So
it makes it
PayPal
more
account.
efficient and effective.
Right.
And you'll also need to ensure that your merchant account with your financial institution is capable of accepting these internet payments.
Right. Easy. So next question. Halfway there. So, what is the best way to create more website traffic?
So website visibility slash traffic, people
Yeah,
actually going onto it, is arguably the most critical part to the success of your new business strategy.
Yeah.
As it will help drive more traffic to your business, prompt more inquiries for your goods and services, increase leads, and potentially generate more sales, which is what you end up wanting to achieve in total.
It's everything.
But to achieve this, you need to understand the search engine marketing.
Right. So, how does search engine marketing work?
Yeah, well, so
Next question.
search engine marketing is not dissimilar to how things once worked with the traditional yellow pages.
Yeah.
For years, people turned to the phone book to locate local businesses.
Yeah.
Business owners understood that advertising yellow pages was a critical step in attracting customers.
Yeah.
Therefore, you'll need to ensure that the search engine marketing you adopt is able to attract targeted traffic to your website. So the specific people you want to actually view your website, you want to be pushing that sort of area to those specific people.
Yeah, right. Sounds great. So how does keywords search work? Like how does?
Yeah, so consumers conduct searches by entering a search word or a phrase.
Yeah.
Into a search engine such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, Firefox. There's a ton of different ones.
Yeah.
So two types of results are then generated: free organic search results, as well as paid unsponsored results.
Yeah, right.
So free listings.
So obviously the paid ones, they'd probably be better
for
the customer.
Yeah, because if you're essentially putting money into it, you're wanting a better result.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So the free listings are displayed on the main area of the result page. Most search engines display 10 results per page.
Yeah.
But there can be thousands of listings and hundreds of pages. So when you scroll to the bottom of Google, sometimes you see hundreds and hundreds of pages.
Yeah.
So sometimes you might be at the very back of it, but no one clicks on the 60th page of Google.
Yeah.
So you want to make sure that you're really up the top.
Yeah.
And then paid advertising results usually appear at the top of the page, highlighted in the box, as well as along the right side of the page. The majority of people who conduct searches only select from the first 2 pages of listings.
Yeah,
What I
right.
was saying before.
Because it's just the best information.
No one really bothers to go to the 30th page of Google to find something.
Yeah, that's true.
Although some will go to 2 or 3 pages deep. So search engine optimization refers to the efforts generated for the free organic listings highlighted on the result page, while search engine marketing, also known as pay-per-click advertising, involves pay listing placements.
Alright, so my next question was how can search engine optimization be achieved? Was that pretty much?
Yeah. So you can achieve the search engine optimization in 2 different ways.
Yeah.
The first way is to analyze your website's underlying code, architecture, and content.
Yep.
That is the way it's actually built. The second involves keywords. Those words are phrases that people enter into search engines in order to find the way that they're looking for. Your website needs to have searchable keywords woven into the natural way throughout its content in order to be found.
Yeah.
So you want things that people would automatically want to search up anyway. Have them involved in the titles and keywords in your website, you have a much higher chance of it actually popping up a lot earlier and being found.
Yeah, right. So second last question now. What do search engines actually do?
Yeah, so search engines essentially rank the sites.
Yeah.
To do so, they use spiders to read through the contents of websites.
Yeah.
Now, if you're wondering, spiders go out and they essentially crawl, as the word, the internet by following links, indexing web pages as they go. They read the content found on the site and they follow up with related links.
Yeah.
These engines ignore the layout of the site and look only for the content that is relevant, up to date, and found not to be duplicated anywhere else on the web. Now, for e-commerce sites, this can be a huge challenge. That's because e-commerce sites frequently sell the same product as their competitors.
Yeah.
And even showcase some manufacturer provided product descriptions.
Yeah.
In addition, sites are often designed to show one product per page.
Yep.
So in several colours or sizes of the product are offered. It appears as if each of the many different web pages is a duplicate. So in the end, you tend to get, there's a slew of sites that feature the exact same item and content, showing several choices for those items and getting ignored by the spiders. However, you can optimize your site by following a number of key steps to improve your rankings.
Yeah. So, yeah, really appreciate your time. Now on to the last question. So, it's just how do we submit the website?
Yeah, so submit the site to search engines and directories.
Yeah.
With your site content updated, you're ready to alert the world as such. It's ready to go free, essentially.
Yeah.
Your site submission tells the search engines that a website exists and that it's ready to be indexed by spiders. Sites can be submitted manually, page to page, or there are tools that can be helped with the submission process. In some instances, hosting providers offer site submissions as part of their service offering.
Really? Oh, great. So, thanks for the interview. Really appreciate it. And so if I got any questions about this, would you be fine if I just emailed
Of course,
you?
yeah. If you need any other times to catch up in regards to